Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change camera resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are here in the left corner. Now let's take a look at this option, which is obviously called low resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from. What's more, here we can also decide what kind of ratio we want to use. For example, we've got 9 megapixels option right now applied with a 16:9 ratio. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. All you have to do in order to change the resolution is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, 8 megapixels with a 16:9, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, and it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. Be aware that after changing it to, let's say, another ratio, the camera look, the camera shape will also change. So for example, after picking 8 megapixels but with 4:3 ratio, as you can see, and the camera is a little bit smaller, it looks more like a square. So well, actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution, camera resolution in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching.